The wise philosopher Plato once said, "Be kind, for everyone is fighting their own battle." For many college students, that battle might be a mental or psychological disorder.
It's at a time where young people are making a transition from adolescence to independence and adulthood. With that transition comes a lot of responsibilities and changes in roles and conflicts that result as a change in those roles.
Some of the more common mental issues college students face are anxiety, depression, and substance abuse.
I started drinking very young, and that was my safety from everything. If I started getting racing thoughts, if I started feeling overwhelmed, if I started feeling stressed, I'd drink.
Luke had been fighting a battle himself. Since childhood, he was diagnosed with bipolar and antisocial disorders, and these problems became heightened when he entered college.
I would sit in the class and I'd feel like this little tiny spot in just this big wave of people, and I couldn't find myself to concentrate on anything that was being said.
Luke, like many others, did not know that there was help out there for dealing with these problems. Students can find solace at Gonzaga's Counseling Center, which is equipped with a staff of expert psychologists.
If you're feeling lonely and isolated, depressed, anxious, if you're having difficulties in any area of your life, you don't have to deal with this by yourself. You're not alone. We are here to help you.
Some warning signs that students should look out for are changes in behavior, routines, or if friends and family are making comments about these changes.
One problem that I see all the time, which is a warning sign, is increasingly when they have difficulties concentrating on their assignments.
For students like Luke, half the battle was finding the help they needed.
If you look for it, there's help. Don't be scared to look for it like I was for years. I went 15, 17 years without looking, and now I found help, and my life is so much better now.
For those students suffering from these psychological issues, you're not alone, and there's a lot of resources out there for help. Kevin Frame, GUTV.